Hi everyone, Sarah from Sarah Homfray Embroidery here with another video for you on a Friday afternoon, but it isn't on this channel, it's on my other channel. So it is on Sarah Homfray Creates, where I'm showing you how I made my wonderful woolen cape here and this little bag inspired by the forest. I've been out into the forest, so you'll need to go and check that video out to see what this is all about, and the link for that is coming up at the end of this one. And if you haven't seen that channel yet, just a little taster of what I've got on there. It's my space to have a little go at something a bit different maybe from the normal embroidery videos, still with a theme of embroidery running throughout, but just a little chance for me to experiment. So we've been into the fields and we've picked poppy petals and I dyed some threads and I made a little poppy embroidery and a whole entire sketchbook. See how to make that. We've got lots of other books going on. This is my little yearly stitch sampler one. I did a page for every month for the whole year, so you can see a couple of videos on how I made that one. If you want something a bit mindful and a bit sensory, we've got this lovely touchy-feely one here, and I show you how I put that one together. We've done tea dyeing fabrics. That was a lot of fun. Made another little book out of the fabrics that we dyed with the tea bags. I've got my temperature sampler that I made. I'll just unroll that for you. So a different row of stitching to represent the temperature that it was that day, and that's a whole year's worth of stitching in there. So there's that one in quite a lot of detail as well. And if you're interested in designing your own embroideries and you want to know more about that, I've got my lovely little gold work elephant, how I designed this from scratch, so from drawing right to the end, and I stitch it all on the camera as well. So a couple of videos on that one too, so do take a look at that one if that's a subject you're interested in. If you haven't seen my Sarah Homfray Creates channel yet, do go and check it out. You can see today's video up here from my little trip into the forest. You can check out all the other videos on the channel down here. If you enjoy them, do give them a thumbs up and do like and subscribe to the channel. Lots more coming there, and I will see you again soon.